If you know my dog's name, I'm gonna buy all of your cookies and chocolate today. You have to give me 3 names.
What's his name?
What's his name? So if
Oreo.
Oreo? Wrong. What's his name? If you know his name, let me see your chocolates. What do you have in there? You have a lot of chocolates. I'm gonna buy them all.
Okay.
How much is in there? How much is gonna cost?
I have to come. Is his
You have
name
to count.
Winter?
Winter? No. What's his name? Look at him. How handsome he is. You have another chance. How much is in there? How many cookies you have in there?
Everything is $2.
They're all $2?
Everything in that box is $2.
So what's the total?
How many you giving him?
Have you ever?
I think they're gonna know his name, so I might take it all.
Have you ever heard his name before? Have you?
The what?
Know the dog's name?
What's his
no.
name?
That's she talking about y'all, not me.
What's his name?
If y'all don't know his name, you're not talking about the candy.
You got one more chance. I'm gonna take everything now.
Hurry up and
She's
start.
putting everything on the phone.
Hey, Husky, what's your name?
What's his name?
Tap entry.
What do you think his name?
It's a tap.
How about you? You take a guess.
Yep, it's like that. Hi. Hi, boo.
What's his name?
Hi, Oreo.
Last chance.
Oreo.
Oreo? She said the Oreo. Okay, I'll give
She
you
said Oreo
I'll
already.
give you another chance.
Oh, pink.
What's his name?
Don't look at me. I don't know that dog name. I used to know that dog name.
Jacob?
I forgot.
You? Ice.
Ice.
His name is Ice. Right. You win. Look,
Yay.
I'm gonna get it
The whole
all.
box, because there's 4 in here.
Good job, guys. You knew it.
Now, next time you come, put it on the piece of paper, then you'll know the whole name.
Yes. All
You
right.
want the box?
That's okay. Thank you.
You want the box?
That's okay.
All right.
All
We
right.
got more
No problem. You happy? You sold them all.
8, 9,
Did you sell them all?
12, 13, 14.
She's in shock. She's like,
She's
you,
like, okay, whatever you say.
you happy? No, you
Her
don't
name
have.
is Lyric.
What's her name?
Lyric.
Lyric. You have a beautiful name. And you too.
So I think
My name is
my cousin
Savannah.
is.
Sofiana.
It came out of the Bible book.
Yeah.
'Cause I never
No,
heard the
it's
name.
not in the Bible.
Huh?
That name's so
You guys are beautiful.
Yeah. Cause
My
So now
name is on the Bible.
you don't have to work in the rain now because it's raining outside.
okay, what you say to the next gentleman?
Thank you.
Thank you. Give him a high five.
I hope I didn't drop nothing.
That's okay. Give him a high five.
High five. Thank you, Mr. Have a blessed
problem.
one.
Same to
I'm
you.
gonna end up coming back here because I want I got an Apple tablet like that.
No
The one
problem.
that got there. I want a glass on it because I need the.
No problem.
How
We
much
fix
is that?
I have to see it.
Can I help
All right.
you?
All right.
I'll let you see it while I'm
Bye, guys.
Because I need a glass up on a vacation.
Yes, they should
to
subscribe my
Florida.
channel.
They're not coming with me.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Love you. Bye bye.
Bye. Love you.